Hello guys, this is Dr. Cool Autofix. Today we are on 2009 Toyota Venza and we have an issue here. The customer says he doesn't get power when he plugs his charger, so the charger is going to be somewhere located here. So you press and slide it back, and that's it right here. So to confirm this, we have actually used this one here and it doesn't seem to charge. We've got another charger here to put it here, to slot it, and still it's okay. And here you can see that the ignition is on and the radio is playing
to the island mission,
but still there is no power coming here. So the fuse which you're going to be looking at, which in most cases is going to be 15 amp fuse, which is going to be right underneath here. But you don't need to scatter all those things the way I laid out this, because I'm doing a different job on this very car. Before you get across to it, it has a normal cover like Toyota Camry, which is this one here. So when you push it and get it out from here, so as you get this very cover out, you look underneath here, you're going to be seeing, and that will be this very fuse right here. Alright, that's this fuse. So let me go ahead and grab that one out and show you. And I'm setting this blown, so go ahead, and I don't see the fuse puller here. They don't seem to leave it somewhere here, but no, oftentimes it used to be around. So let me grab it and let's take a look at it and see if it is blown. It's sticking out there. You can see it's sticking out there. So let's go ahead and try. With the ignition on, you can see my charger just come back on right now. So we're gonna go ahead and connect one of the Android phone that is here. I'll show you if it is working. I'm using one hand, sorry. You can see it's charging. So now you know how to fix a charger on Venza that doesn't work fine. Tune up on the next episode where I'm going to be showing you how to replace the polling filter for Venza. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm Dr. Cool Autofix. Bye for now.